Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize home screen in the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. So at the start, if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your wallpaper, and how you can see there you have a few options to edit. The first one, wallpapers, a little bit obvious, I know. I think we can skip that. Just choose your new wallpaper and click apply, choose the place for it like a home screen, and that's it. Okay, the next one, icons. If you want to change your icon design, you can do it here. You can tap on the custom and just choose your shape for your icons. There you have a preview, the size of your icons, the wallpaper colors, it's a beta version. You can also hide the app names, but if you want to keep it selected, you can choose the size of the name. If you're ready, click apply, and that's it, we have a new icon design. The next one, widgets. If you want any widget, of course tap on the widgets and just select it by holding the finger on it. Now choose the place for it, and now if you want to edit this, like change the size, use that edge for that. If you want to remove that, hold the finger on it, choose remove widget, configure it, and that's it. Okay, the next one, layout. If you want to just change the amount of duplication there is in the columns, so just add it to your needs and click apply. Then transition, it's an effect when you're swiping the pages on your home screen, so when you tap on something you see the preview, so choose your favorite one and click apply. Okay, now we can go to the more, and there we have a home screen layout and up animation speed. If you make your phone a little bit faster for your eyes, just set it to the fast, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.